I'm inside the Zen browser. Let's learn how to install, set up and configure mods inside the Zen browser. Firstly, to get the mods, you're gonna go to settings. So click on the three dots at the top and then we're gonna reach to settings. Come to the Zen mods option. I have 3 mods already installed. The most common method to install the mods is to go to BGT store here. If you have the mods as files inside your PC, you can just import the mods from here. And you can even export the installed mods by going to export mods. And you can check for updates and update them. And this is the main switch here to enable or disable the mods. Now let's go to BGT store to find some mods. These are Zen mods. You can either search the mods from here or even explore them by yourself and then install the mods that you want. For example, I want to install the mod. Click on the mod that you want to install. Scroll down and click on install mod. Now to access the mods, you're going to go to settings pack, go to Zen mods, and these are the mods that have been installed. This is the one that I just installed. To customize the installed mods, you're going to click on the settings for that mod that you want to customize. For example, if you want to customize the better find bar mod, click on the settings and you can customize a lot of things here. Plus, to enable or disable a single mod, you can toggle on or off this button for that mod. And if you want to remove the mod, you can click on remove mod. Just click on OK. So that's the complete guide on how to install, set up and configure the mods inside the Zen browser. If you like this video, then just give a thumbs up and make sure that you are subscribed to this channel.